Buenos dias, estudiantes. Today I'm going to teach you about the verb gustar. Gustar is used to say and express when you like or you don't like something. So we just learned AR verbs. AR verbs follow the typical regular verb pattern where it is determined, the conjugation is determined by the subject pronoun or the proper noun introducing the sentence. Just a quick reminder, before we learned ser, we learned about these subject pronouns in the first person, second person, and third person, both singular and plural. The subject pronouns in Spanish are yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, and then we also use the ustedes, like I address you all, my students, ellos and ellas, how I speak about you all. And next, in Lesson 2, we learned about AR verbs, and we use these same subject pronouns when we conjugate the AR verbs to speak about ourselves, to someone, or about somebody else. And this is the formula for the endings that we use for all AR verbs. We take the verb in its infinitive form, also known as the unconjugated form. You drop the AR ending for the AR verbs and you add o, as, a, amos, an. Now I take you over to page 52 to show the verb gustar. As I said, gustar is used to show likes and dislikes. When you want to say that you yourself, or speak in the first person, you instead of yo are going to use me. For instance, me gusta la música clásica. If you want to say you like more than one thing, you will change this ending not based on the person as the subject, but on the item that you like. Or, as you'll learn in a moment, the action that you like to take when you speak with infinitive verbs. So, for instance, if you like more than one thing, it is me gustan las clases de español y biología. Or, if you want to say you don't like something, you simply put the no in front of it. No me gusta. If you want to emphasize that to you, yourself, you like something, you would simply put the expression a mí me gusta or gustan before the thing that you like. So, a mí is simply used to emphasize, to me, I like the arts. To me, I don't like the program. So now that you know how to say that you like something, let's learn about how you would ask a classmate, or in the second person form, if somebody likes or dislikes something. So instead of the me, when you say, I like, me gusta, you're going to replace that me with te. And then again, for emphasis, you could add the a ti or to you for emphasis. For example, a ti te gusta el inglés? And then the same for te gusta. If you don't want to have the emphasize with a ti, you just say te gusta la geografía. And if you like more than one thing, say they liked geography and history, you would say te gustan la geografía y historia. Now that you know how to say that you like something, or you're speaking to a friend and they like something in the second person, you use the same structure when you're speaking in the third person or in the first person plural. So essentially at this stage, you realize instead of the subject pronouns we typically use before AR verbs, yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, y ustedes, you simply use me, te, le, nos, and les to preface your verbs. So the same actions with gustar happen here, where if you like one thing, it's going to be gusta, and if you like more than one thing, it's gustan. And if you want to speak about us liking something, you say nos gusta dibujar instead of nosotros. If you like as a group more than one thing, you say nos gustan las clases. And then if you want to speak about a friend or somebody else in the third person, you say le gusta. For instance, no le gusta trabajar. Or if you want to speak about more than one person, using ustedes, ellos, or ellas, you say les gusta el arte. If they like the arts, you would say les gustan los artes. Now let's briefly do one together. As you can see, this is how you would conjugate something in the regular AR form. Hablo, hablan. Inés is a person, so you would speak about that person in the singular third person. So habla, hablamos, hablas. Okay? So I would love to focus now on the gusta or gustar. So here it's a mí me gusta el café. To you, te gustan las clases because you like more than one class. And then here we're going to express what we don't like. So we simply add the no before. So a ti te gusta el café because there's just one coffee. Café can also mean an establishment, but it also means coffee itself. So, a mí me gustan las clases because there's more than one class. And then, a mí no me gusta el café. So, there's just one café, so you say gusta. And there you have it, your overview of the verb gustar. Now you can express what you like and what you dislike, and then you can chat with others about what they like and dislike.